Hello and good morning. My name is Satio Wibowo and I am in the 7th grade of junior high school TBAA. Today I am gonna show you how I am doing this online learning from home. So the first thing that I would do after waking up is going to the bathroom and take a shower. After that, I have my breakfast, and then when I'm done with my breakfast, I turn on my laptop and I join to a meeting to meet with my friends and my teachers by clicking a link that is provided by the teacher. After everyone joins the meeting, we start our morning worship by singing and reading the Bible. After that, we pray. And if it's all done, now we can start our class. Before we start our class, we always pray, and when the class is done, we also do a closing prayer. After all my classes are done, I have lunch and then I check my assignments. If there is an assignment, I will finish it. But if there is no assignment, I can just review what I have learned today. And the bright side of having this online class is making us more capable in using technology like computer, handphones, and others. I can even make PowerPoint presentations even though I wasn't told how to make it. I learned things in my computer myself, but if there is something that I can't do, I can ask my brother or my dad about it. But the bad side of the online learning is the fact that we can't meet each other, but we can only meet in the meetings like Google Meet or Zoom. Yeah, and also we can only chat, and it just feels different. Even with the new students in TBAA, we can't really meet each other. Yeah, because of this pandemic of COVID-19. This virus is very dangerous. It could even kill people and make people feel worse. And that is why we need to learn from home using our gadgets. And if you want to go outside, don't forget to wear your masks, because COVID-19 could be anywhere without us knowing. So stay safe and pray so this pandemic of COVID-19 can be ended, so we can be safe and so we can learn again in our school, not virtually. I'm Satio Wibowo. Thank you.